Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Thank you for tuning in again. Today I'll be making some brown stew beef, and here are some of my fresh ingredients that I'll be blending together. That's a Scotch bonnet pepper, some green onion or scallion, onion, ginger, garlic, and some sweet peppers. Now I'll be using all the colors, as in yellow, green, which is my favorite, and some red. So yeah, all of the ingredients can't all at the same time, so I'm going to put some, blend those. Yeah, here I added some pimento and now some thyme, nice and fresh, and I'm adding the green sweet pepper. Vibes Sam, can you smell what's going on here already? And it don't even start blend. Add some more onion, and here, even though I added the Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm going in with some more crushed chili flakes. Nice and hot and so good. So yeah, now I'm adding some oil, and then I'll cover this thing and pulse, blend. Amazing. So yeah, just wanna go ahead and look at it, and it smell amazing. Trust Vibes Sam, the base to your food need to, it is really the seasoning. Like, you need to make sure say you have solid ground, solid seasoning for your food, right? And this right here, okay, so obviously all of that time never blend out, so that part they never needed anyway. So I'm just adding the rest of the fresh ingredients and some more pepper, and then I'm going in again for some more blend. Just so good. Yeah, Vibes Sam, so this is not just for the beef, you know. Obviously I'm making a lot because I use this when I'm cooking other meat or anything else. I just scoop out some and add. So here are the rest of my ingredients. So of course I'm adding the fresh blended seasoning, and then I'm going in, girl, you need to get all of it, good girl. Now I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. This is about 3 tablespoons, and some Worcestershire sauce and some soy sauce. Now my soy sauce, it's so watery, so it adds a nice flavor, right? But also sometimes, like, if I don't want to use any browning, then I'll try to use the soy sauce. But you really have to get a soy sauce that is kind of thick for it to do what it's supposed to do in terms of giving you some color. But yeah, I have it under control. I'm gonna fix it, right? So here I'm just going in, getting all that seasoning all up on this beef. Vibes Sam, I'm telling you, when you season your food properly, that is the it for your food. That is the it for your food. So yeah, get it all up on there, girl. Get it up there. And I'm just taking off the excess around the side. And here I'm adding a little bit of salt, not a lot, because I added soy sauce, which is salty, and I added a tops of browning. Now Vibes Sam, you don't want to really go in and make your meat too dark. I think it's best if you can control the color by just adding a little at a time. So say you season it up, don't go too dark, and then when you're cooking, and if it need more, then you add more. So look at it, so seasoned and beautiful. So here I'm adding some oil, and I'm gonna brown some sugar and add the beef to it. So browning the sugar helps to give it some more color, right? As well as, guess what, you don't have to brown the sugar, but it does give it a look. At that, Vibe Sam, can you see the seasoning? I'm telling you, this smells amazing, and it just a start cook. Yeah, you can just add your browning alone, and then you put the oil in the pot and add the beef, stir it round, and go from there, right? You don't have to brown the sugar if you don't want to. That's fine. Do it, give it a nice taste. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and leave it for about 7 minutes. So here it is after 7 minutes, Vibes Fam. I love to do this because I'm telling you, you see, that is the natural juices that spring from the beef, you know. Natural. I didn't add any water. Oh, oh, oh. Vibes Fam. Flavor. Beer flavor. That right there. So yeah, I'm just giving it a stir, and then I'm pushing the meat to the side and adding some hot water. Pour some hot water into the bowl that I season it up in. So this is after 45 minutes. Ooh. And Vibes Fam, you can pressure it. So let's test it. So the fork, the fork went through, but it wasn't so soft, right? So here I added a little more browning, right? Because it's not the right color. And I cover it and I'm leaving it for another 30 minutes. So while that is, you know, cooking and doing its thing, I'm cutting up some Irish potato. So I'm gonna add Irish potato and carrot, right? And I'm just showing you like how you cut that. I'm sure you guys know. You guys know what you're doing. You guys are good cooks around here. But hey, we're just cooking together, right? So yeah, that's all done. So now next I'm gonna go in with the carrot, right? So come in, Carrie, and same thing. So you don't want to cut them too thin or too small to say, right? It's a nice little chunk, a nice little cube, right? And then yeah, that's it. And we're gonna add them to our pot. But are you done? Ooh, another one. So yeah, you just bust it into two and then go down the line and do the thing. So here it is now after the 30 minutes of Vibes Fam. This is where you would tip a little water in, but here I'm adding 1 tablespoon red wine, and I'm adding some ketchup. The red wine is optional. I added some salt and give it a stir. Now if you want, if your one boil right down and it needs some more water, you can add some more. This is where you would add some more water. And that's the next thing to Vibes Fam. Don't add a lot of water at a time. That is some ground pimento and dried thyme. And there I added some beef stock, you know, just to give it some extra flavor. And of course, the carrot and the Irish. And I also added some more sweet peppers and a tablespoon of sugar. Now, Vibes Fam, me love sweet pepper. If you have been following me for a while, you know that. So even though I added it to the blended seasoning, no, I still have to put more into this. Trust me, it make it taste so good. Added some black pepper, and I'm going in, yeah, black pepper. Yeah, blackie. And I'm going in with some more of the crushed pepper. So by this point, Vibes Fam, I tasted it and I see what I was lacking and say, all right, no man, we can add something right here. So yes, Vibes Fam, you should be tasting. Make sure you taste and see what you need. Yes, come through, look good body food. You look good. So we're gonna stir it up. Oh yes, look at the gravy coming. It is coming along. We're going to have to give it some more time, but it's coming. That is not straight water. Yeah, it's a come. So cover it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15. And Vibes Fam, that is us all done, and I'm throwing it out. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Comment down below and tell me, what would you have with this? What would you have with this? Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have it. The finished product with all that steam all that goodness. Oh my goodness, Vibes Fam, can you taste it? Can you taste it just looking at it? Those Irish potatoes perfectly cooked, those carrots perfectly cooked. Oh, the beef is just so, oh, melt in the mouth, delicious. Just so good, so scrumdiddlyumptious. I'm telling you, Vibes Sam, that steam just giving me a nice little facial. I love it. I love a facial. Give me a facial. Yes, yes. Ooh, with a great dish. Yes, amazing. As I said, comment down below and tell me, what would you have with this? Is it rice and peas? Is it white rice? Is it some boiled dumpling? Some banana? I don't know, some lettuce? Vibes Fam, this is so good. I hope you guys try it. And as I said, the red wine is optional. You don't have to put it in there, but it does have add a great flavor. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Guys, please go and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Follow me. God bless you.